Well, I've come back to Ladywalk. I promise you, this is my last time in a while. The reason I've come here today is again for the cuckoo, and it's probably about 12 o'clock now. There's no point going to Middleton because there's too many people around by now, and I don't do people. So back to Ladywalk to try and get this cuckoo, and I am going to camp out in a spot this week right by the river, because that's where last week another guy was sitting and he said it's been flying around there. So that's the plan. The weather's supposed to be nice. It's been saying that since 9 o'clock this morning, that yeah, it's going to be sunny in the next hour, and it's 12 o'clock and there's still no sun, so it's really grey skies. Absolutely terrible. The weather's still crap. Look, still grey skies, the sun still hasn't come out. There's nothing out at all. There's a few house martins flying over. I've seen a cormorant fly over. Heard a great spotted woodpecker, and that's it. That is all I've seen. I haven't even took a photo yet. I'm considering walking back and going up to Middleton Lakes. At least I'll get a shot up there. It's just terrible here. And do you know what? It's actually cold. You know in the winter when it's cold and your ears like go numb? My ears are numb. It doesn't help that I've got big Dumbo ears, but yeah, it's fairly cold. Forget this. It's absolutely shit. Look. One of the first birds I've seen. It's so dead. I'm going home. I think I might go up to Middleton. It's just absolutely dire. I was gonna just walk round and go back, but it's just not worth it. Walking that way is even longer, and I might as well just save my legs. There's never normally much in the woods anyway. No one's heard the cuckoo either. Ladywalk, this is going to be the last time you see me for a while. It's shit. No other word for it. It's just terrible today. So I'll see how I feel when I get back to the car, if I fancy getting up Middleton for a little bit. Well, this place is getting knocked on the head, cuckoo or not. If I'm honest, I've been itching to get out and do some landscape photography, really itching. I've been looking at a few places that I haven't been to before that aren't too far away. But the problem I've had is the same problem I've got with the bird photography. The weather's been crap. With landscape photography, you kind of want good atmosphere, do you know what I mean, like good weather, clouds or sunrises or something like that. But it's just been grey every single morning. You just wake up and it's just flat grey white skies. So it's just been crap. But hopefully it's going to start picking up, and then I'll be able to do a bit. I'll probably do a week landscape, a week birds, because I am getting I wouldn't say bored of birds, but I need to have a bit of a refresh, just something different for a bit. I was looking at doing the bluebells, but the more I kind of think about that, I'm not really into flowers, so yeah, if they're there, they're there. But yeah, I'm going to try and do some landscape stuff soon. But I think I'm going to have a quick drive up to Middleton Lakes. I don't know how far I'm going to walk around it, probably not very far at all because I'm knackered already. But I'm not going home with one photo, and that's all I've managed to capture so far is a wren. So yeah, we'll go up there and have a look, see what it's like. And now I'm at Middleton Lakes. It don't look much better here. Saying that, there's too many people about now. I don't like people. They're always in my way, or making too much noise. I don't plan on stopping long. I'm just going to go to the first lakes between the two, take a couple of shots there if there's anything, and that'll be it. So rubbish. I'm hoping the turns are going to be there, and then I'll get some decent shots of a turn, I suppose. That's the plan. So that, I don't know, that's the plan. The plan never gets the plan. Well, I said I wasn't going to walk that far, but I've just heard that the hobbies are here, and I'd love to get some more shots of them. I actually edited one this morning, but I wasn't that close to them before, and they were over the left hand side, so I might just do between the lakes once and then walk round the other side, see if I can see the hobby. That'd be nice. A turn and a hobby shot today. That'll do me. Haven't seen any turns. I've seen the hobby fly over a couple of times, but haven't managed to get a shot. Well, I'm heading back. Started off as a freezing day, it's gone really warm, but bird wise it's still been very quiet. I saw the hobbies, I took a couple of shots but they were too far away. Saw the turn, took a couple of shots, but again nothing amazing, and that's about it. I haven't really got any good photos today, I don't think, so I'm heading back. I've had enough and I'm really hungry. So if this even makes a video due to lack of photos, thanks for watching. Until next time.